If I move it to the left, it works. If I move it to the right, it works. It just works, like I'm telling you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I am going to be showing you how I maintain this hair. So basically I got my hair done on Sunday, and today is Friday, May 8th. It's been 5 days. Alright, so I'm just gonna do pros and cons for this hair. So one, they are extremely weightless. Like literally they feel like nothing. Two, you can style them the very day that you get it done. So what this means is like you can immediately start styling your hair the very first day that you get it done, because you're braiding with your hair first. It doesn't put a lot of tension on your scalp, so that way you're able to manipulate it easily, unlike, you know, jumbo braids. So three is you can style this hair however way you want. It's easy to style. Literally whatever I do with this hair works out. Like if I move it to the left, it works. If I move it to the right, it works. It just works, like I'm telling you, it just works. One is on the third day my hair started itching so bad, yo. Like, oh my gosh, my hair started itching so bad. All I wanted to do is like smack the living hell out of my scalp. Like, so my hair was super dry on the second day, but this was also kind of expected because while I was braiding my hair, also if you haven't seen the video, I'll leave it in the description box below. So basically while I was braiding my hair, I only oiled my hair while I was blow drying it. I explained that in the video. While I was braiding my hair, I practically only used the edge control to, you know, make my hair more smooth, but that was just about it. I found out that my hair was super dry on the second day, and I went in with my black Jamaican castor oil. You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, I don't like my scalp being dry, and that's just it. So I don't know if I'm the only one that has experienced this, but if you have before, but if you've gotten the knotless braid before, and if you've noticed that your scalp was dry, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be reading. Thank you. Let's move on to the next part of this video. I also wanted to show you guys how I grease my scalp. So basically I use the black Jamaican castor oil, like I mentioned in the last video. Once again, if you haven't seen it, it's gonna be in the description box. So basically I just it didn't come with this. I bought this myself. I basically just, you know, I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, something like that. And then I just kind of use my hand to like massage it into my scalp. I already oiled my scalp the day before, so I won't be showing that in this video. I'm only just going to be touching up on my hair, and you know, doing this, I'm pretty much doing this for the sake of this video, just to show you guys how I oil my scalp. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you like about this video, what you hate about it. Let me know how I can do better. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, keep an eye out for my next video, which is going to be on how to style your knotless braids. It's going to be lit, and that's about it.